Hello and welcome to Cold Storage this Christmas time, and I'm back in store to share with you some of my festive picks to share with friends and family over the coming weeks. Christmas wouldn't be Christmas without a classic Burgundian Pinot Noir, and this is exclusive to us, the Jean Bouchard Nuit Saint-Georges 2016. Now this is an absolutely wonderful house. It's got over 2 centuries of history and they create really fabulous complex wines. Bursting with cranberry and rhubarb notes and a delicate touch of earthy and gamey meaty character as well. Medium bodied, lovely fine delicate tannins and a long lasting finish. This is absolutely beautiful with turkey and chicken over Christmas, but also those roasted hams you might be having as well. This is a decadent favourite of mine and of yours. This is the Antique Avena Amarone della Valpolicella, and this is their beautiful style of wine that is made from raisined indigenous grape varieties, and it's got a little bit of American oak aging and French oak aging as well, so beautifully complex. This is absolutely brimming with ripe fig and plum and black cherry notes, and it's got this delicious sweet tobacco, cherry hints and this dark chocolate character, full-bodied with a long velvety finish, absolutely delicious with the roasted red meat dishes over the festivities, but also perfect with the cheese board too. This is the signature grape of Argentina, and that's Malbec and the wonderful world-renowned producer Zuccardi, and this Q Malbec is exclusive to us. It's got intense flavours of cassis and blueberry jam and this wonderful mocha and dark chocolate character as well. Medium bodied with a long silky finish, absolutely delicious with turkey malapot pie, but also with beef Wellington as well. This is a beautiful example of a premium New World sparkling wine, and this is exclusive to us. Deviation Road, Loftier Vintage Brut 2017, and this is from the wonderful Adelaide Hills region, where they create beautiful Pinot Noir and Chardonnay grapes used in the blend. Exploding with crisp apple, wild strawberry and Nashi pear, and a lovely tartar character as well. This has got a lovely lifted citrus finish and a really fine mousse as well. Absolutely delicious with seafood platters this Christmas. Thank you for joining me with my wonderful festive picks for you. Make sure you grab them in time for the festivities. I wish you a very Merry Christmas, and I really hope you enjoy the wines.